Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my update for the Big Bottle Showdown that I'm doing with Hanging Out with Lori and Tara Reid and Brandy Renee on Instagram. This is for the sunflowers. It's about the same as it was at the last update, so there's no change there. With the Victoria's Secret Tropic Rain, it's right underneath the label. It says Victoria's Secret, because it was up to, I think, there when I started. And the Victoria's Secret Crush, I think I was about right there. And now it is up to here on the label of the Victoria's Secret. So, and this one kind of stayed about the same. So, not much progress, no empties. So, next month is the finale for this project, and realistically, I think I can probably use up this one because it's closer than the others. So, I'm hoping to at least get this one finished. So, anyway, that's my update. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you like Project Pan videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.